After being pursued at a Leeds supermarket by the Armley Paedophile Child Molester, Javed Iqbal, a 13-year-old girl reported difficulties in leaving her home and experiences episodes of uncontrollable crying. Javed Iqbal, 57, pursued the girl and gestured at her during her visit to the Aldi store on May 26 of this year. In 2016, he was incarcerated for 4 years due to 2 offences: engaging in sexual conduct with a minor under the age of 16 and unlawfully detaining a juvenile. Javed Iqbal, residing at Addingham Gardens in Armley, was reincarcerated on Monday, August 18, after admitting to violating his sexual harm prevention order. The court heard that the girl had only recently started going to the shop on her own as her mother wanted her to have more independence. CCTV footage showed Javed Iqbal watching the girl in a sly way and following her around the store as she looked for cat food. For the prosecution, Jessica Lister said that at one point she turned towards him and he gestured towards her. He continued watching her as she took her items to the checkout. Ms. Lister said, "She was naturally frightened by this. She then called her mother and was collected from the store." The police were informed and Iqbal was arrested and interviewed but denied the offense. A devastating victim personal statement was provided, in which the 13-year-old said she was struggling to leave the house as a result and was having panic attacks that resulted in uncontrollable crying. The victim also said that she was having nightmares, was nervous around people and can't go to the shops on her own anymore. Ms. Lister told the court, she also doesn't want to leave the house to go to the park or spend time outside with friends. Before this happened, she was very social and went out with friends and had the freedom that she doesn't feel she now has. Javed Iqbal was released from prison in May 2020 for his previous offending but was still under a sexual harm prevention order when he followed the girl around the supermarket. Sentencing Javed Iqbal for the serious breach of his order, His Honour Judge Coker said that the impact on the victim had been enormous. Judge Coker said, "She was frightened by the experience of seeing you and your actions. Thereafter it seems that her life has been affected and considerable harm has been caused to her, and I'm sure that some of the fears and anxiety she experiences will continue for a period of time. That is the natural consequence of a crime of this nature." Javed Iqbal was sentenced to 18 months in prison and a restraining order was imposed on him for an indefinite period.